Hey everyone, I'm CNC Shawn, and today we're going to give you a small example of some cabinetry for your garage with slat wall. Today we're going to do a small section of garage cabinets, just another example of what you can do with a ShopSabre CNC. You know, we started out doing kitchens, things inside your home. Now we're able to do stuff in the garage. We're getting into some closet stuff, and we're going to have a video of that coming up. But today, I'm going to show you what we're doing using Mosaik. We're going to combine that with VCarve for this little section. So let's jump into the software here. Here we've got Mosaik open. You can see it looks like frameless cabinets. That's what we're going to use. It's all 3/4 construction, not anything real special. We'll remove the toe kick. We've got legs we'd put on there. If we jump over to the 3D, you can see the back here is going to be a slat wall that we'll cut in VCarve. I did put a couple holes in the bottom that we can put recessed puck lights in. Why don't we jump over to VCarve, take a look at that. And here we've got the slots we're going to cut. We'll use two different bits, a 7/16 bit first, then the T-slot bit. And that's a quick rundown of the design of our garage cabinets. Now that we've got that all covered, I'll start loading the machine up and we'll get these cabinets cut. Two sheets cut right now. Edge bander got set up during that. We're going to start doing parts, running them through here. We'll keep running the CNC and, you know, kill two birds with one stone. Our parts, they're looking good. We've got no cleanup on it. The edge looks great. Now with these doors, this machine doesn't have the tracers to be able to cut over nested parts like this. So I put some tape on it. We're going to run it through. Hopefully that works out. There you have it. Looks really clean. We might have a little bit extra edge banding to clean up. That's just from the thickness of the tape, but we didn't cut into our parts. Let's keep going. Well, I thought we were done edge banding our parts, had everything ready to go, but I noticed it looks like we're missing some parts. Had an idea what it might be. I came over to the computer, took a look, and sure enough, I forgot to change one of the settings for our finished end material. It was set to something else instead of what we're using. So we'll make that change quick. We're going to use up the remnant we used on the last sheet we cut. Then we've got a couple parts to cut out of another sheet. So I'll make those changes and we'll get that done. Okay, now we do have all our parts cut. Everything's assembled. Take a look at some of these edges. They are nice and clean. There's no chip out anywhere. The machine just does a phenomenal job with that. So all we gotta do now is assemble them, and we'll get started with it. Well, there you have it. We got our garage cabinets all done. It turned out great. The edge banding with the CNC edge bander worked really well. We've got adjustable shelves throughout every cabinet, the holes in there. Stack of them sitting over here. I didn't put them in. It's one of the benefits of having a ShopSabre CNC. Frameless cabinets are becoming increasingly popular, and the ease of being able to cut them on there, get them edge banded, get it done really quickly is just a huge benefit, along with being able to customize a lot of stuff with the software. We've got puck lights in here. There's a false bottom in there, a slot in the back to hide the wiring. And then one of my favorites is slat wall. My clientele has really liked being able to customize our own slat wall that matches the cabinets, and it's a really big benefit. So if you're interested in that, check us out at ShopSabre.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.